Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is on how to replace the high flow water cartridge in your water filter system in your kitchen. No need to call a plumber and have an expensive call out fee, because this is something you can do yourself in just under 5 minutes. So the first thing you want to do is to identify the location of your filter. Now typically, as per this one, they are directly under the sink. Having found the filter, what you want to do is place a tea towel underneath the filter to catch any drips. And then you want to turn off the water inlet to the filter. You can see all systems have a tap nowadays, so you just turn that straight off in a clockwise direction. Having turned that off, you want to release the water pressure in the system. So you simply turn your mixer tap on to release the pressure. It's then just a matter of turning anti-clockwise the filter, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty if you forget, and then it just clicks straight out. So with the old filter out, you get your new filter, you remove the protective cap, and then it's just a matter of locating those locating lugs in the housing, firmly pushing up, and then turning clockwise. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So with the new water filter installed, it's just a matter of turning the mains water onto the tap again. Now with the new water filter installed, it's important to let that tap run for 1 to 2 minutes, just to purge any air out of the system. So the final thing to do is just to use your cloth, just to wipe any drops from the changeover process. And because we've been dealing with plumbing, just to check for any leaks anywhere coming. As you can see, this one's bone dry. The new kit will have come with a new monitor, which we can install. So simply pull the plastic tab out, which will activate it. Remove the backing strips for the self-adhesive and stick it in your desired location. So there you go folks, there's how to really simply and quickly swap out your old high flow water cartridge in really under 5 minutes. It's a job anybody can do themselves, and as I said in the beginning, there's absolutely no reason to call a plumber. If you have liked this video folks, please like, share, subscribe, and have a good evening.